Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. I am your computer teacher. My name is Pooja Rajmani. What we have studied? We studied our lesson number 2, input and processing device. We was studied our question number 1 from skill sheet and question number 2 from skill sheet. Now we will see our question number 3. Question number 3 is answer the following question. What is the first number question? Name the different input devices. Which are the different input devices? Yes, right. Keyboard, mouse, light pen, trackball, scanner and microphone. These are different input devices. These are input devices. Keyboard, mouse, light pen, trackball, scanner, microphone. Next, what is the second number question? What is processing? What is mean by processing? Anyone can tell me? The work done on the instruction. Input data given to the computer is called processing. The work done on the instructions, input data given to the computer is called processing. Name the 3 types of CPU. Name the 3 types of CPU. Which are the 3 types of CPUs? Good. First is a ALU. What do you mean by ALU? Arithmetic and logical unit. Arithmetic and logical unit. Second, CU. CU means what? Control unit. CU means what? Control unit. And third one, MU. MU means memory unit. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. CU, control unit. MU, memory unit. Fourth number question. Write the name of input devices shown in the picture below. We have to write the name of these devices. What is the first number picture you can see? What is the name of this picture? Yes, good. What is the name of this picture? Keyboard. What is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. What is the name of this picture? Yes, good. It is mouse. What is the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. What is this picture? What is the name of this picture? Good. It is light pen. L-I-G-H-T. Light P-E-N. Pen. Light pen. What is the fourth number picture? Good. It is trackball. T-R-A-C-K. Track. B-A-L-L. Ball. Trackball. What is this? Good. It is scanner. What is the spelling of scanner? S-C-A-N-N-E-R. Scanner. Next, what is this? It is microphone. What is the spelling of microphone? M-I-C-R-O. Micro. P-H-O-N-E. Phone. Microphone. M-I-C-R-O-P-H-O-N-E. Microphone. What is this? It is joystick. J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K. Joystick. And what is the last one pick? It is touch screen. T-O-U-C-H. Touch. S-C-R-E-E-N. Touch screen. T-O-U-C-H-S-C-R-E-E-N. Touch screen. What is the next number question? Encircle all the words given in the help box in the word search below. It is word search and help box. We have to search these words in this search box. Okay, what is the first number? First number we will see mouse. It is mouse. Where we can see mouse here? M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Where you can see the mouse, spelling of mouse? Good, here. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Sorry. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. What is the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E, mouse. What is the next one? Next one is a keyboard. What is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Where you can see the spelling of keyboard? It may be horizontal or vertical. Here you can see K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. We have to take our pencil and by using pencil and scale we have to circle the word. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Next one is a joystick. What is spelling of joystick? J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K. Where we can see the spelling of joystick? Yes, here. J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K, joystick. Next is a microphone. Where we can see the spelling of microphone? What is the spelling of microphone? M-I-C-R-O-P-H-O-N-E, microphone. Here is the spelling of microphone. By using pencil and scale we have to draw the line. M-I-C-R-O-P-H-O-N-E, microphone. Next is a device. Devices. D-E-V-I-C-E-S, devices. Here is the spelling of devices. D-E-V-I-C-E-S, devices. Next is what? Input. Where we can see the spelling of input? What is the spelling of input? I-N-P-U-T, input. Where we can see the spelling of input? Yes, good, here. I-N-P-U-T, input. I-N-P-U-T, input. Next is a key. K-E-Y-S, keys. K-E-Y-S, keys. Here, K-E-Y-S, keys. And last spelling is scanner. Where we can see the spelling of scanner? Yes, here. What is the spelling of scanner? S-C-A-N-N-E-R, scanner. What is the spelling of scanner? S-C-A-N-N-E-R, scanner. Understand everyone? First one is a mouse, then keyboard, joystick, microphone, devices, input, keys, scanner. We have to draw the line by using pencil and scale. Now our next number question is what is the question? Color the picture of CPU and fill in the blanks. This is the picture of CPU. What is the long form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. CPU is a which type of device? Input, output or processing? Good. CPU is a processing device. Everyone having crayon with you? Good. Then which color you like? Use this crayon and give the color to CPU. It is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Now first one fill in the blanks is CPU stand for now only I told. What? Good. Central Processing Unit. CENTRAL, Central, PROCESSING, Processing, UNIT, Unit, Central Processing Unit. Next, second number question is what? CPU is the dash dash of computer. CPU is the good brain of computer. What is the spelling of brain? BRAIN, brain. CPU is brain of computer. What is the third number question? CPU dash dash all the instructions given by you. CPU process. PROCESSES, CPU processes all the instruction given by you. Fourth one, CPU is the dash dash device. CPU is a which type of device? Input, output or processing? Good. CPU is the good processing device. What is the spelling of processing? PROCESSING, processing device. The dash dash is the most important part of computer. Which is the most important part of computer? And it is brain also. Which is? Right, CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. First one is a CPU stand for Central Processing Unit. Second one, CPU is the brain of computer. CPU process all the instruction given by you. CPU is a processing device. The CPU is the most important part of computer. Understand? Now next one, name the interior part of computer. What is the first number part? It is we can see outside the CPU. No, we can't see it is from outside, but it is present in inside. That's why it is called as the interior parts of computer. What is the first number? CD drive. Good. CD DRIVE, drive. Next one is a, what is the second number what is the second number picture? Good. Memory card. MEMORY, memory, CARD, card. Memory card. What is the third number picture? It is hard disk. HARD, hard, DISK, disk, hard disk. Next one is a, what is it? Good. Power switch. POWER, power, SWITCH, switch, power switch. What is the last number? Good. It is motherboard. MOTHER, mother, BOARD, motherboard. Understand? These are the names of interior parts of computer. Everyone understand? Good. Now we will see our lesson number 3. What is the name of this lesson? Output device. What we have studied in lesson number 2? Input and processing device. Now we will see output device, where we can see the output device and what is the use of output device. What is the use of, firstly we will see what is the use of input device. What is the use of input device? Yes, good. To giving input, or by using that device we are giving instruction to the computer. We are giving input to the computer. That's why this type of device is called as a input device. Which are the main input devices? Keyboard, mouse. Next one is a processing device. Which is the processing device? Good. CPU. In that name there is a Central Processing Unit. It is only one and only processing device, and if you want to calculate and everything, then we are using the CPU, right? Now we will see output device. The output is the process of producing result from the data given to the computer. Output means what? Keyboard taking input, CPU is processing on it, and after processing we get result. This result is called as a output, and by using which device we are getting our output, that type of devices are called as a output device. It can be in term of number, letter, image or used information etc. What we are giving input means, if you want to addition, if you give input 5 plus 6, then we get output 11, means in the form of number. If you give input letter, then we will get output letters. If you give image, then we will get image. Output in the form of number, letter, images or used information, and it is also stored inside the computer for further output or result, or it is stored inside the computer, right? For example, two numbers when we are adding by using keyboard, we saw in last period, we were studied how to add these two numbers, how we are giving input by pressing the 5 and 6 and plus button. Then the CPU is processing on it. Where the CPU is processing? Processing of the data and number is done by the arithmetic and logical unit. Who calculate this? CPU only, but CPU also divided into how many parts? 3. Which are there? ALU, CU and MU. Then who calculate this type of example? Arithmetic and logical unit means ALU. Next, output. Then who will give the output? The result is displayed as number 11 on the output device in a readable form. We can read this output. We can't see what is CPU is doing, but we will get only output, right? Next, it is output device. What is mean the output device? Output device are those part of computer that display information or print the output or result after processing the input. Monitor and printer are the most common output devices. Which are the most common output devices? Monitor and printer. Monitor and printers are most common output devices. And what is mean the output devices? Output devices are those parts of computer that display the information. By using output device, we can get the information. First we will see monitor. Monitor is an output device which display the output on the screen, right? When we was going in computer lab, then if you are, what you are doing? Yes, we was doing the paint, right? When we are drawing the circle, then where we can get the output, where we can see what was drawn, it is where, yes, it is on the monitor. It is on the monitor we get what we are doing on the computer. That's why monitor is the output device. Monitor is showing the output. That's why monitor is the output device. It display the output of the data processed from the computer memory. It display the output of the data processed from the computer memory. What is CPU is doing? It is displayed on the monitor screen. It is also called as a visual display unit. Monitor is also called as a visual display unit or VDU. This is also monitor, right? And we can see what is inside the computer. That's why monitor is called as a output device. And monitor is also called as a Good. Visual display unit or VDU. Next is a monitor which display the image in the two color. Monitor display the image in the two color, which are the black and white. Monitor display the image in the two colors, black and white, are called as a monochrome monitor. Are called as a monochrome monitor. Monitor can also display the images from 16 to over 1 million in different colors. Monitor displays from 16 to over 1 million in color, 1 million in different color. Such a type of monitor are called as a colored monitor. If monitor is displayed only black and white color, that type of monitor is called as a monochrome monitor. And if monitor is displayed 16 to over 1 million in different color, one image it is showing or it is displayed 16 to over 1 million, that type of monitor is called as a colored monitor. Next, monitor can be of different type of visual size. Means how we are in your class, some students are small, some students are tall, some students are short. Like that, monitors are also different type by using their visual size, by using their size. These types is depend on their size. Firstly, it is 14-inch monitor. 14-inch monitor. It is like that. Next is a 17-inch monitor. Then it is a flat screen monitor, and it is a LED monitor. These types are depends on their size, visual size, various size. This type of size, it depends on their type. Okay, first is a 14-inch monitor, 17-inch monitor, flat screen monitor and LED monitor. Monitor can be of a different type and various size. It having different types also and various size also. The output displayed on the monitor is called as a soft copy. Now what you are watching, that type is called as a soft copy. You can see this on the monitor. You can feel it. We can touch it. No, we can't touch the dough. That type of output is called as a soft copy. Now, understand about the monitor? Monitor which is displayed only two color image. If it is displayed image in the two color, that type of monitor is called as a monochrome. And if it is displayed images from 16 to over 1 million of different color, that type of monitor is called as a colored monitor. And monitor can be a different types and various size also. Next, output devices. Which are the two main output devices? Good. Monitor and printer. Now we will see about the printer. What is the use of printer? The printer is an output device. Printer is an output device which print the images and the text of the paper. Printer is an output device which prints the images and the text on the paper. What is inside the computer? It is printed. The output displayed on the paper by the printer is called as a hard copy. Everyone having books now, right? You can touch these books. You can touch this type of book. This type of book which we can see, we can touch here. That type of book is called as a hard copy of this book. But here in the computer we can touch. That type of copy is called as a soft copy. Understand what is meant by hard copy and soft copy? Output displayed on the monitor, that it is called as a soft copy. and by using printer we can get a hard copy. Printer can be classified as a under. How printer classified we will see. The printer that print text only in black color are called black and white printer. Printer that print the text only in black color, it is called as a black and white printers. Next is the printer that print text and picture in color are called as a color printer. If printer is copying only black and only in black color, that type of printer is called as a black and white, and if printer is printing text in color, that type of printer is called as a color printer. Next, printer are also different type according to their speed, quality and price. Printers are of different types according to their speed, quality and price. Which are they? We will see. First is a dot matrix printer. Next, laser printer, line printer and inkjet printer. Printers are different type. Which are they? Dot matrix printer, line printer, laser printer and inkjet printer. Understand? Now one more output device is speaker. Speakers are an output device. Why it is called as output device? Because by using speaker we can listen songs. That's why means it is giving outside. It is giving outside. That type of device are called as a output device. A microphone is used for recording different sounds, and speaker are used for listening to sound. Means if we want to record something, then we are using the microphone, and if you want to listen this, then we are using the good speakers. That's why speaker is called as a output device. It is the image of speaker. They are also used to listen to music. Why we are using the speaker? To listen music, dialogues of the movies or recorded voice. By using speaker we can listen our music, dialogues of movies or recorded voice. Speakers also come in the form of headphones. Headphones are used when a single person wants to listen to something on the computer without disturbing other. When you are attending the Google meeting, right, that time you are using the headphone. Why you are using the headphone? Because you want to listen only one person, only one single person. If you want to listen the voice single person, that time we are using the headphones. Next is a plotter. What is the use of plotter? Plotter is also output device. And what is the use of plotter? A plotter is an output device. Why it is output device? We will see. Like a printer, plotter is also like a printer. It is also used to give an output on the paper. Plotter is also giving output on the paper. It is used to display large graphic output on the paper. We saw what is the use of printer. Printer useful for the getting a hard copy. Which book we are using, it is printed on the printer. But if you want large graphic output, that time we are using the plotter. Understand what we saw in that chapter? First is a main output devices. Which are the main output devices? Monitor and printer. If you want only soft copy, then we are using the monitor, and if you want this written hard copy, what we are written on the computer, then if you want this hard copy, that time we are using the printer. Monitor and printer are main output devices, and these types of monitor, it depends on their types. It is having monitor having different types and various size. Next, printer. If you want hard copy, then we are using the printer. Next output device is speaker. If you want to listen music, dialogue of movies or recorded voice, then we are using the speakers. And next is a plotter. Plotter is same as a printer, but if you want to display a large graphic output then on the paper, then we are using a plotter. Understand? Then what is the homework for you? You have to complete your, if you understand, then write in your skill sheet of the lesson number 2. If you don't understand, then let it be. I will give in homework. But if you want, you must have to read the lesson number 3. What is the name of lesson? Output device. You have to read this lesson, and if you are having hard words, then you have to underline the hard words and try to read these hard words. Okay, thank you.